Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Sunpower Corporation, and this is a very positive chart and it is a monthly chart. So in the longer term time frame we could probably see a very good upside which will probably happen if certain criteria were met, and that's what we are going to discuss in this particular video. So let's start with the trend. Now these kind of charts are very simple to understand and read. Okay, so that's the most important thing. You will not find most of the charts. So let me tell you, this is something which you can probably say I am sharing with my experience, that whenever I am saying that it's a consolidated chart or it's a flat chart, now although they are restricted by its movements, but they are the most easiest chart to understand, because we know what are the levels that we are expecting in the overall trend. Okay, that although because our upper side and the lower side are almost predictive, but the probability of those moves are very high, which is not there in normal chart, whether you are talking about an uptrending or downtrending chart. That's why I always say it's very easy to understand when you have a chart which is flat in nature. Now when I'm saying flat, uh, you will probably say that, see, there is a drastic downside, a slide down from 2007 to 2012, and after 2012 to 2014 or 15 the stock will probably rise. Now you need to check out the chart on its overall context, which means you need to check each and every movement or whatever the data you have available on your screen. You cannot take a slice of it and say that, see, this is the uptrend and this is the downtrend. Okay, now let me tell you how to read or how to analyze this chart and what are the levels one needs to look in this particular chart. Now first, about the support, as always, you have your first line of support at $16, then you have 10.89 followed by 7.59, then you have 3.97, you have $3, and your final support will be 2.44. And on the upside there is a criteria, but if it passes that criteria, you will probably see a big upside in this particular trend. Now as you can see, the stock is uh, currently trading at $23, which is above its current support level at $16. So the next target which one could probably see in this chart will be or in between $27 or $29 or probably $30 on the upside. Now this is the condition. If I'm saying it again, if the stock sustain above $30 or $31, if the stock makes a breakout and sustain above $30 and $31, then the next target for this stock will be $40, 71 after that, and you will have your big target at 111. So this is the level which I am talking about, or this is the biggest breakout target which I am talking about. But as I told you, there is a condition for that which need to get passed, which need to be passed. Okay, so if the stock sustain above $31, you will see all three levels will come true, and there is a bigger probability of that if the conditions got met. Now there is another probability that if this level 27 and 30, which will be the next target or range of targets, if this does not hold, then there is a probability that it could fall back. Okay, it could fall back towards its lowest or the lower end of the range. So one need to be ready for that as well. Reason being, one need to put their stop losses at appropriate level, or the level at which they find that either if it goes down on the lower side, that I can't take much more risk if the stock falls below X and Y level, where I have explained all the levels, and on the upside you should place your stop loss in such a way if you're thinking that stock will go upside, where one can see the risk reward ratio is better when compared to other levels for that individual. So that planning an individual need to do, nobody can tell you. So it is not like day to day trading where I am saying that if you can take that particular stock where you put your stop loss here and your target is here. It is nothing like that. I always say I don't give any recommendation or tip or anything like that, or trading investing ideas. This is just an analysis. Consider it as an education thing, and if you are getting benefited out of it, that's fine, but this is not the thing I'm doing where you can call it as a recommendation or tip or something else. So here the chart pattern is very much positive, and the way it started moving up. So if the criteria met and the stock sustained above $31 on the upside, then you probably see the range will open up till $111. The caution here is, if it happens or if it proves that this level in between $27 and $30 will act as a resistance, then there is also a possibility that the stock could probably fall down or go back towards its lower end of the range. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.